I was writing a blog today about how data engineers use AI. What do you think?
Okay.
Is there any real world usage of AI in data engineering other than writing
Yes.
Python code?
Okay. Yes, I would say.
Okay.
Um, so, for instance, there is one hot topic right now, which is the text to SQL. That you basically what you are doing is instead
Yes.
of writing your query, you go to your Snowflake and say, "Hey, Snowflake, I don't know. I want to know which is our customer satisfaction ratio, or how many clicks are we getting in this web page by this week, right? So if you did your proper data governance and proper documentation, you can actually apply this text to SQL to your Snowflake queries, and you don't have to. In ideal scenario, you don't have to write any more queries. But what happens is companies, they are not documenting the databases or whatever, and you get poor results from there. And that would be one hot topic, text to SQL for sure. And then what I really like as a data engineer are the vector databases, which are storing, if
Yes.
you're familiar with this. So basically they are storing common similar words together. So for instance, let's say imagine a three-dimensional space where you have the dog, cat, and rabbit together because they are animals, and then you have table, chair together because they are furnitures, and so on. So this also is very important. And then you can apply these RAG techniques to, it's super quick. Sometimes it's quicker than a normal database, and you can do a lot of things with that. And yeah, I would say
Do
this.
you think
Yeah.
is it the job of AI engineer or a data engineer?
Good question. I mean, it depends on the company. If you can have a separated AI engineer to do vector databases, he should be the one responsible. But if you don't, you should instruct your data engineers to know vector databases and so on. But for the text to
Yep.
SQL, I believe it should be a a shared job, because the data engineer knows the sources and the AI engineer knows how to implement the LLMs